Meaning of dietitian.
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 Dietitian. A dietitian is a qualified health professional who specializes in food and nutrition. They use their knowledge to provide advice and create personalized meal plans for individuals, taking into consideration their health goals and medical conditions. Dietitians work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, clinics, schools, and private practice. They play an important role in promoting healthy eating habits and preventing diseases related to poor nutrition. Ultimately, their goal is to help people achieve optimal health through proper nutrition and lifestyle choices.